So it's day 3 since I started filming this vlog about the garage and all the stuff in it. And it's been chaotic. I think I have the corona. So with corona in place for 2020, I bought this Honda St1300 pan-European to travel across Lithuania. This is an ex-Swedish police bike, which means it still has the special lighting and a modified engine. We've got a microphone and also we've got all-in suspension. One more thing about the bike, it's got a modified exhaust. Just don't tell the cops. Besides that, we've got quad lock case, which I've been using riding enduro or mountain bikes, and it's great. And finally, the motorcycle is protected with a Monimoto, which is hidden inside the motorcycle, and if anyone tries to steal the bike and they don't have this keyring, you're gonna get a phone alarm with GPS where the bike is. Okay, so now we've seen the toys, the Honda. Besides building motorcycles, I always wanted to make videos on YouTube. So for the video shoots, I've got a drone which I already crashed. And this one is the latest innovv. It's motorcycle camera set from elemelietuva, Latvian guys, thanks. And this is the front camera, the rear camera, GPS tracker, and this the control module. Once you start the motorcycle, it just starts recording. Let's try installing this kit. I have to tell you, it's not easy, but let's do it. Once everything is done, I usually prefer everything to be really smooth, really clean. But when I'm in the process, damn man, just look at the desk. Everything's scattered, nothing is in place. I've installed it both in the front and the back. We'll test this little camera later in the journey. It's Saturday, I'm tired. Let's go ride. Both the car and the bike are 2007, and I guess they've been designed by the same designer. As for the quality of video from the innovv, you be the judge.